Hey Southwest Florida, Braden here, once again with your weekly housing market update, packed with the latest information to keep you in the know. Now let's dive into the numbers. Last week we witnessed mortgage rates at 7.24%, 338 new listings, 211 properties sold, 326 pending, 59 expired listings, and a median sales price of $368,000. This week though, the market has continued to evolve. Mortgage rates have climbed further to 7.48%. This continued rise can start impacting buying decisions as financing costs increase. New listings saw a slight bump up to 344 this week, giving potential buyers more choices. Properties sold is up to 264 from 211 last week, a reassuring sign that buyers are still active and finding homes that they love. And expired listings are also down to 56 from the 59 last week, a trend that can indicate more efficient transactions. And pending sales saw a slight increase to 328, reflecting ongoing interest in the market. However, the median sales price did see a minimal decrease to $365,000, which may signify market stability in pricing. The subtle changes in these numbers tell a story that the market is balancing itself, with increases in new listings and sold properties met with corresponding adjustments in other areas. The continued rise in interest rates could be a critical factor to watch in the coming weeks, as it might influence both buyer and seller decisions. However, the robust activity in new and sold listings shows a market that is very much still alive and responsive. In our local community, this may be in part to a large number of transactions being completed in cash in our local market. As always, I'm here to assist you with any real estate needs that you may have. Feel free to reach out to me anytime, Braden Milner, your dedicated Southwest Florida realtor with Florida Future Realty. You can call or text me at 239-634-8639 or send me an email at contact@bradenmilner.com. That's all for this week, Southwest Florida. Stay tuned for next week's update, and remember, whether buying or selling, I'm here to guide you through the Southwest Florida real estate market. And make sure that you follow the channel for some more content just like this daily. I'll see you all next week.